Hey, let's talk about what tool you need in your shop if you're a beginner or intermediate, or if you don't have a whole lot of tools, which one should you buy? You should get yourself a 7¼ inch circular saw, and you can do so many things with this and replace all kinds of tools. You can replace a router, you can replace a miter saw, a table saw, metal saw, brick saw, all kinds of saws. You can save yourself up to $2,000 in your shop. This tool, as long as you make sure that you buy the actual blades for the different materials and they match the manufacturer specifications for your actual saw, you're good to go. So let's take a look and see what we can do with this saw.
When making your dado cuts, after you get done making both cuts, as you can see here, I'm actually cutting the small piece on the edge of the table. Take a chisel and you can chisel out the pieces. You can set and cut an angle at 45 degrees or 30 degrees. This you can do to make molding for floor molding or ceiling molding like crown molding. You cut those pieces off and actually splice them together. It gives you a nice clean fit. When cutting metal, make sure that you have the piece firmly held, and after you actually finish the cut, make sure you let it cool off before you grab it because it's going to be hot. When cutting brick or stone, make sure that you only cut a little at a time so you can set the depth and cut through 2 or 3 times depending on the thickness of the actual brick to keep your saw from binding down.